channel. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to change your password on Windows 11. So let's get started. Firstly, on search bar, you will type settings, click on settings. Then click on accounts, scroll down the page. Here you will see sign in option, click on it. Here you will see all the password options. Click on pin. Now here you will see change pin, click on it. Here you will type your old pin. Then here you will type your new pin. Then again confirm new pin. If you include letter and symbols, tick on it. Now you will enable letter or symbols also. Then click on OK and your new pin will be changed successfully. And that's it. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tricks, turn on notification bell so you never miss an update, and thanks for watching.